Hi guys! Ayan, so off ko today and napansin ko sa duty na kailangan ko na talaga ng hair treatment. Like, crazy para na siyang, ayun, pansin niyo ba? Anyway, so ayan, samahan niyo ako kasi on the way ako sa Create Salon Prime, Santolan Branch. Ayan guys, so andito na tayo. And before ako pumunta dito, nag-PM muna ako sa Create Salon Prime para makapag-book ng appointment. And then, nung dumating na ako, ayan, nag-usap na kami ni Sir Gref, inanalyze niya yung hair ko. And napagkasundoan namin na color and collagen treatment yung gagawin. Para naman mabuhay yung strands ng hair ko. Tsaka tingnan nyo naman yung kulay, guys. Grabe. So, pahinga muna tayo sa highlights, guys. Alam nyo na, baka sobra siyang mag-dry, ganyan. So, let's go! And for the final look, ayan, grabe. I so love what Sir Gref did with my hair. It looks healthier and grabe, sobrang soft niya talaga. Tingnan nyo naman no, kung paano siya mag-reflect sa ilaw, diba? At hindi lang yan, guys. I also asked them to get me a pair of My Home Salon to extend the life of the treatment. I did some research and found out that yung formulation pala nitong shampoo was designed to get rid of the grime and oil without affecting the color and the treatment itself. Tapos, what I love about the conditioner is it has triple conditioning ingredients designed to complement the collagen treatment and the color. Mukhang matatagalan akong bumalik because you guys did a great job and that my home salon keeps it great for longer periods of time. Available here at Create Salon Prime and other leading salons nationwide. Yan, diba? Sobrang fresh na ulit. So, syempre, maraming salamat po sa Create Salon Prime, Santolan Branch!